Welcome. In front of me is a NOKIA 8.3, and today I will show you how to copy contacts from the SIM card to your device. And to get started, you want to open up the standalone contacts app right over here. And once you open it up, there's already a bunch of contacts, so let's disregard it. But once you open it up, you want to tap on the three bars right over here. Go to the settings, where you'll find import option at the bottom. Tap on it. It will give you two options where you can import contacts from, so VCF file or SIM card. We're interested in the SIM card, so let's select it, tap on OK, and from here it will show you all the contacts that are on the SIM card. Now you can also see that basically almost all of them are grayed out and not selected, and even if I try, it will tell me contact already exists on your list. That is because they have already been imported and I cannot basically do it again. Now there is sometimes a bug where it will allow you to do it anyway, which I believe this contact might be one of them, but there's also a possibility that it doesn't exist. But in any way, once you have the list, you can deselect or select contacts from here that you may not want or want, and once everything is selected the way you want it, all you need to do is tap on the import button right over here and remove copies from SIM. I'm gonna keep it. And you can see it will give you a number of contacts that has been imported, and from here once you go back you should see them are right over here. So let's see if I can actually find, oh, there it is. You can see that there is the contact, and that is basically how you would import contacts. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.